and I saw something that I'm having a hard time with. I barely slept last night because I was standing out in front of my house just getting some fresh air. I had worked all day and came outside and, looking at the stars and such, and I noticed a light in the sky. It looked like a plane or a helicopter, very average. I don't know why it drew my attention. I walked around the trees in the front of my garage, and the light seemed to diverge and get wider, and the lights became more numerous, and the sky was darker in between the lights. Even against the night sky, you could tell there was a structure in between the lights. It was absolutely enormous. It had to be a half a mile wide. I'm having a hard time understanding what the hell I saw last night.
What was the shape of it?
From what looked like just 2 or 3 lights, like a small helicopter or plane, it diverged into a sort of a boomerang shape.
Okay.
And then it seemed to, I couldn't tell if it was changing shape or if it was just revealing more of itself. And I was absolutely mesmerized. I was standing in the middle of my street at the end of my block, yelling into my cell phone with my friend, "Are you seeing this?" He was on his way to my house. The neighbors are going to think I'm crazy. I'm out in the street yelling because I don't know what I'm seeing, and it was very brief. It seemed like a minute or more, time slowed down. It was probably like 30 seconds or less. This all took place. It was the craziest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And it faded off, and the trail of lights that it left behind it had a trail. Like if you see a tractor trailer drive down the highway real fast, the red lights continue to kind of, I'm having a hard time finding the words to describe what I know I saw last night.